How to fix connection lost in 8-ball pool. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you keep getting the connection lost error in 8-ball pool right when you're about to win a game, I know how frustrating that can be. So today I'll show you some quick fixes to keep you connected and back in game. So let's dive right into it. First, check your internet connection. 8-ball pools needs a strong and stable connection to run smoothly. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. If possible, switch to a different network or reconnect to refresh the signal. Next, close any other apps running in the background. Too many apps can slow down your connection and impact game performance. Closing them will free up resources and help keep 8-ball pool running smoothly. For Android users, try clearing the app's cache. Go to your phone settings, find 8-ball pool in the app section and select clear cache. This can help reduce connection issues without deleting your game data. Next, switch to a different network type. Sometimes the problem is specific to your network type. If you are using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. And if you are on mobile data, try connecting to Wi-Fi. This simple switch can sometimes fix connectivity issues. Finally, make sure 8-ball pool is updated to the latest version. Open your app store, check for any updates and install them if available. After updating, restart your device to refresh everything. And that's it. With these tips, you should be able to fix the connection lost error and enjoy a smooth gaming experience. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gaming fixes. Thank you for watching and good luck at the pool table.